So here's how to create YouTube channel step by step for 2025. First of all, congratulations. Being on YouTube is an amazing decision for your business. It's one of the best platforms to be on to grow your online business. And I know a few things on that because myself, I'm helping life coaches grow their own YouTube channel to get clients from it. My name is Lucas, and without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, we have to go on the main page of YouTube and click on sign in. And since we don't have yet a Google account, we have to click on create account. And there you will see different options, and for this video we are going to choose for work or for my business. Then you click on get a Gmail address. After that, just enter your basic informations. Then you click on create a Gmail address. Now you have to come up with your own name for your Gmail address. From there, create your own password. I cannot help you with that. You have to come up with your own password. And now you have to enter your phone number to confirm that you are not a robot. You will then receive a code on your phone and you have to enter it as well. Okay, so for this step, if you don't have another email address, we cannot do that. We have to skip this step, but it's really important to have a recovery address in case if you have some problems on your main Gmail address. Basically what Google is going to do if there is a problem is that they are basically going to send you an email on that recovery email address, and you will be noticed if any problem is happening on your other email address. But for this step we are going to skip it. Then if you want to add your phone number again, you can do it, but for this step we're going to skip it too. Now we click on next. Then for this video I'm going to choose Express, but if you want to dig a little bit in the settings, you can choose the manual options, but for this video again we're going to choose Express. Now we need to accept that we are basically selling our souls to Google. No, I'm joking. You just have to click accept. Yes, take all my data, Google. Yes, I love it. Yes, amazing. And now your Google account is ready. Now let's skip this step. It's not really important for now. And there we go, your Google account is now created. Now what you need to do is to actually create your YouTube channel. So you just have to click on your profile picture here, and from there click on create a channel. And here you will be able to name your own channel, so again you have to come up with that. You can also select your picture here. So for this video I was a bit lazy. I asked for ChatGPT to create me a YouTube channel name and description and all that stuff. You will see also the profile picture, but yeah, let's create my YouTube channel name. And by the way, don't worry, you can change your name on YouTube. It's not a permanent thing. And there you go, you have your first YouTube channel, so congratulations. But now let's customize it a bit. So as you can see, you can change your profile picture right from here. For this video we're going to click here, and then we will be able to access to the YouTube Studio. And on the YouTube Studio, this is where we will be able to see all the analytics, all the content, the customization, the settings, everything for your channel. So now let's go to customization, and here we will change our banner and our profile picture. So click on upload, and then you choose your YouTube banner. So again, for this I asked ChatGPT to create me some images. For the YouTube banner, make sure that the picture are the right size, otherwise it won't be seen correctly for people maybe on their phone or on their computer. So as you can see here, you can see how your YouTube banner can be seen on different device, and so make sure that most people can see the most important things that are on your banner on every device. Now let's upload our profile picture. So again, same process. And here we will write our description. It's very important for people to know what your channel is all about. And again, for this example I asked ChatGPT to create me a description for this channel, and here you can put links that people will be able to click on. So you can, by example, put your Instagram here, and here, really important, do not forget to enter your email address, because this is where people will be able to contact you. Also, you can receive spams, but either way, it's really important to have this email address, because personally, when I'm trying to contact life coaches that I'm trying to help, I want to help, where some of the time they don't even have an email address on the YouTube channel, so I can't really contact them. So make sure to not forget that. You can even have sponsors that would like to contact you at some point when you start to get a lot of views. So yeah, do not forget about that. Okay, so now that we are done, we are just going to click on publish. And now let's see what our channel looks like now. So as you can see, it takes a bit of time for the channel to actually show what you just uploaded, but we can already see the description with the links that we've put and also the email address. And if we just refresh the page, we will be able to see the new profile picture and the new banner that we just uploaded. And so there it is. And again, we can see the description and the links still here. Now let's get back to YouTube Studio. Let me explain to you quickly what all of these things that you are seeing are all about. So first of all, there is a dashboard, then there is the content tab. Here we'll be able to see all your videos, your shorts, the live, the playlist, podcast, everything that you are uploading. Then you will see the analytics. So for this channel we don't see anything, obviously. This is where we'll see all the technical information on your videos. You will basically be able to see data from your videos to see, by example, if the hooks, your intros are hooking people the right way, what is the click-through rate percentage. You can see where people are coming from, how do they find you, etc, etc. Then there is the community tab, where you will be able to see the comments and all that stuff. Then the copyrights, where you will see if you have any copyright claim, so make sure to avoid that. Here you will be able to see the monetization, and then there is a customization that we were on earlier. So now we are going to go on the settings, click on channel and then on feature eligibility. And here, if you want to unlock advanced features, you will have to confirm with your phone number. You will have to receive a code on your phone to then confirm it and enter the code. And for the third advanced feature, you will have to show, I think, your ID. So yeah, so make sure to unlock these features as they are really important for the channel. Now let's click on basic info, and here choose your country that you are currently living, and here we will enter specific keywords that are related to the type of content that you want to upload. So for this example, let's write a different type of keyword that are related to video editing and YouTube optimization. And by the way, a quick tip: if you don't know what kind of keywords you can write for your niche, you can ask ChatGPT for that. If you don't know what that is a free AI tool, one of the most popular AI tools that you can use, and it's really useful if you have a YouTube channel or business. Then we will click on advanced settings, and here let's make sure that if you are making content that are not designed for kids, let's check this to make sure that none of your videos will be recommended to any kids. Then let's save, and here let's come back to settings. Click on upload defaults, then on advanced settings, and here we will choose the language that we are speaking in. So for me this will be English. Then if you want, you can select the category of your channel. For me this will be education, and then again let's choose the right language. Now click save. Now let me show you something important if you start getting success from YouTube channel and you start to hire people to help you with that. So for this, let's go to permission, and here on this tab you will be able to add people to YouTube channel so that they can manage YouTube channel, and you will be able to add their email for them to join, and you can also choose the role they will have for your YouTube channel. Now you can close this, and now we are done with the YouTube channel. Okay, so now that you have your own YouTube channel, you might want to get started with creating your own content and upload your first videos. And if that's the case, check out this video that will explain to you what's the best approach between short form content and long form content.